All right, folks, I'm back again. Today, I'm gonna make something that I've been making quite a bit, which is it's a play from the papaya salad or the som tam, or we call it tamang in Laotian, and som tam is in Thai. But I'm adding this to it. Again, I'm sorry that the writing is backwards, but it wouldn't matter anyway because I do not read Chinese or whatever language this is in. But this is wheat. This is made out of wheat, I believe. Yes, it is. Wheat, flour, salt, and water. Essentially what it is it's just these noodles that you buy for, I think this is only like $3. And it can be used in several dishes, several dishes. I'm actually going to use it in my string bean spicy salad dish. I've actually did most of it already because I did a lot of this already in camera for you. But and I also started cooking the noodles. I only took half of one of these. Do you see that? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I only took half of it, so 1/16 of the entire product just went in. About 3 minutes, and it is pretty much ready to go. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this in a second now. Alright, I'm just straightening it. Ooh, it's hot. There you have it. Those are the noodles. Let it cool down a little bit because it's going to go on a cold dish. So that cools down. I am just going to finish up my spicy salad here. Inside here is, gosh, 7 or 8 garlic cloves, a habanero, about this big, and like 10 Thai chilies, some sugar, and of course a little bit of MSG. That's it. I ground it up already. I put about 2 teaspoons of sugar. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smash these up. I'll do it here. Because of the height of this moro, I'm literally just gonna push down on it. All I'm really trying to do is I want to get some of the juices and stuff into, or break up the string beans and get some of the juices inside. All right, pretty easy. I could probably do a little bit of this. Almost not necessary, but we'll see. I like a little crunch to my dish, you know. It's like it doesn't have to be so fine pressed or mashed up. There you go. Beautiful. That's it. And I'm going to do a new way that I've never done before. Well, I'm sorry, I've done it a few times. Never on camera. So this dish can also be a wrap, especially using these noodles, and you'll see here in a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna put all this onto here, which is in a Tupperware, ready to be a wrap already. Kind of like a fast version. The challenge of this mortar is beautiful, it's heavy, but it's really hard to maneuver. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get 2 spoons here. And yes, it is not finely mixed right now. Those who are watching, they're probably gonna be wondering, how am I gonna get this? I'm still missing the fish sauce and the lime juice, which is gonna come last. Okay. there you have it. This way. All right. So, unlike most traditional way of making that dish, the fish sauce, the lime juice or the lime, squeezed lime, and even the tamarind sauce would go into that mortar and pesto, and they would continue to grind it out. But I'm not gonna do it that way. I really feel that those items does not need to be mixed heavily. So I'm gonna do it like this. Today I'm actually gonna use both kinds of fish sauce, the premium kind, which is fantastic. But I just want a little bit more oomph to my dish this time. I'm actually gonna use one that is not as high in quality. It's a little bit smellier, I guess, and definitely higher sodium content. Just for the sake of it, just for the fun of it. Okay. And then the lime. These are 3 limes, I believe. I'm 2 halves at a time. Oops. Feel free to taste as you go, you know. Well, doing this way you won't really get to. But if you are hesitant how much lime goes in, or sugar or salt, take your time. I've done this so many times that I kind of have an idea on how much I'm gonna want to use, depending on what I feel like that day. And today is what I want. All right, that's it, quite a bit. Let me get... So as you see, this is really not mixed up yet. And here's my new way of doing this. Hope it works. Oh, by the way, yeah, never mind, I'll talk about that next. I'm going to literally cover it up. Hopefully, obviously, if you're gonna do it the way I do it, you should have a really solid, tight Tupperware. You do not want to get, especially all these smells all over your kitchen and yourself. And I'm just gonna shake it. All right. Clearly went out to the top already. And so you could, you know, a little messy, but you could still do it as a wrap. Or you can just put some of these noodles in, which is my plan was. Shake it again. Not as aggressive this time. And of course, you know, I just love these things. I'm using, God, correct me if I'm wrong, but these are Asian eggplants. I've already diced them up. They look like that, they're beautiful. They do oxidize and they get a little bit of brown. So this one has already started oxidizing. I usually put these things on top. And of course, ginger again. I just love ginger. It's very good for you as well. And to get a little taste, make sure you get all the goodies in the bottom. And there you have it.